What's up, you guys? I'm Charleen, and today I'm going to be showing you the new Kylie Cosmetics Summer 2018 collection that she just dropped. I'm very excited about this collection, and that's because one, I haven't bought from Kylie Cosmetics in a while, so when this dropped I had to have it. Like, girl, the neons and the summery shades in this palette, I was really living. Especially when Kylie did her Vogue makeup tutorial, I was just like, oh my god, I have to have that palette. Yeah, so today I'm going to be giving you a demo on this palette and creating this look that you see on my face. And right before we get started, I will be telling you my thoughts on this palette. So let's get into it. The makeup collection comes with 5 bullet lipsticks, the eyeshadow palette, 3 glosses, and 2 lip kits, one a matte and one a velvet, and I believe that's it. So what I got from the collection was the palette, the bullet lipsticks, and the lip kit. So let's talk about the palette first. I really like the makeup palette overall. The colors are pigmented, they blend well on the eyes. I don't have any problem with them at all, except there is one problem: the kickback. This palette has a little bit of kickback in it. As you can see, I've used some of the colors, and you know how when your palette has kickback, it has that little dent in it? Yeah, I mean, it's not a big issue. I feel like if you're one of those people that swirl your brushes into this, you may go through the shades faster, but as long as you lightly tap like you're supposed to, I don't think that'll be a problem. That's the only con I have with this palette. Overall, I really like this palette. It has shades you can wear all summer long, and I'm very excited about that. Of course, we get a lot of warm palettes though. I actually watched Nikki Tutorial's video, and she says that if you have like the Morphe 35O, I believe, you probably can skip this palette. But if you're like a Kylie stan like me and you just want to add it to your collection, go ahead. I mean, why not, girl? I mean, my favorite shade out of this palette, which from out of all the palettes I haven't seen this type of shade before, so if it's in another palette, ignore this, but like, I am obsessed with Juicy. Look at how beautiful she is. I used it on my crease. Woo! I'm about to use this color all the time. All the time. I think Juicy's the best part of this palette. I mean, for real. Like, all other palettes are canceled. Let's just wear Juicy on our eyeballs all the time. Anyways, what I think about the bullet lipsticks, I like them. I think some do need a lip liner though, but that's my opinion because of course I am tanner than Kylie, and some of the shades like Nova look funny on me. So I'll probably would line it with her True Brown K lip liner, because I'm not sure if I would wear that by myself. But other than that, the lipsticks are very creamy and they glide onto the lips really well, and when you like rub your lips together, they don't feel so stiff, if you know what I mean. I would really recommend these lipsticks. I might actually add more to my collection. I mean, doesn't she have that whole silver bullet collection still? Probably. Anyway, and last but not least, on Wednesdays. On Wednesdays, it's like every other Kylie lip kit. Same formula. Goes on nicely on the lips, very pigmented. It's a beautiful baby pink. It's different from what I usually wear, but I like it. I love Kylie's formula for her lip kits because they stay on all day, all night. Even if you eat something or drink something or kiss your bae, it does not come off. I mean, sure, when you eat, you might get a little bit of that little line, if you know what I mean, in your lips. But other than that, Kylie's lip kits literally stay on all day. Like, if you were to wear this 24 hours, I'm pretty positive probably come off. But yeah, that's pretty much my review. If you want to see how I got this look on my face, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So first, I'm going to take the shade Melon and put that in my crease with a fluffy brush. Melon is very pigmented. Melon is serving watermelon vibes. I mean, I guess it's called a melon for a reason, but I'm really liking this shade. Blending it out in windshield wiper motions and circular motions, bringing it into my brow bone a little bit. The next brush, I'm going to take Need a Tan and use that as a transition. Put that above the crease. Now with the same brush, I'm going to take Suns Out, Buns Out, and put that on my outer corner. Suns Out, Buns Out. This purpley shade, ooh, it's giving me fall vibes. It's a pretty plum. I'm really liking it, and it's very pigmented. It's not like some eyeshadows that would be dark and then you're like, where's the pigment? I'm just patting that on, and we're gonna blend that out a little bit later. Now that that's blended out, I'm going to put some Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer on to my eyeballs and do one of those half cut crease things. Look up, then follow that line. Now I'm going to set this cut crease with this shade, which is Poolside, I believe. Now I'm going to take the shimmery shade Juicy and put that on the half cut crease. I'm very excited for the shade. I'm going to use the same flat brush and I'm going to see how that applies without setting spray. I'm going at my finger. Okay, so with my finger, it seems to apply more pigmented. Whoa! This Juicy. Okay, girl. Kylie gave us the shade that we did not deserve. Holy cow. Oh my god. Kylie. Kylie. Do you see this? Oh my god. I'm gonna put that on my inner corner also with my finger. Going back in with Suns Out, Buns Out. I'm going to deepen the crease so that the transition will not be ugly, basically. transition shade. And now let's work on the bottom lash line. Now that that's looking pretty good, I'm gonna finish up the look with my face. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation. And I'm gonna put concealer under my under eyes using the same Urban Decay concealer from earlier. And blending. I don't know why I'd put eyeshadow under my eyeballs when I need to put concealer on. Great job, Charlotte. Now I'm going to contour my face with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette using the shade Chestnut. So while it's baking, I'm going to do the rest of the face. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife and highlight with that. So I'm going to finish it off with a lippy. I think I really want to try the most talked about shade, and that one is Tangerine. I've been seeing it everywhere. Let's see how it looks. I hope I like it. This takes me back to my MAC lipstick days. I've been using liquid lipsticks forever now. See how that applies? My lips are dry, so I'm kind of nervous because I cannot find my chapstick for the life of me. She is bright. Okay, I like it, but maybe not for this eye look. I'm gonna swatch the rest for you guys. Next is the shade Nova. Looks like this. And I believe the shade was actually part of Kylie's collection that she named after her daughter. I really wanted that collection. Yeah, I think it's a really cute nude, but on me, I should probably use a lip liner. Next, I'm gonna be trying out Miami. Miami is a cute pinky coral now that's on my lips, and I'm actually living. It matches my eye look. This might be the final look. We'll see. Next, I'll be trying out LAKEY. Oh my god, this takes me back to high school. Used to wear MAC lipsticks in this shade. I feel young again. I mean, I'm not even that old. I'm like 21, but woo, the Throwback Thursday is real now, and today's Thursday. See what I did there? Oh, funny. It's so cute. I'm about to wear this color all the time again. Kylie, you have me hooked. Oh my goodness. Now the final shade I'm going to show you is Boss. As you can see, Boss is your summer red. She's not your usual fall tone red, but I'm still liking it. I usually go for the reds with the blue undertones, as I feel like those are gorgeous reds. But for the summer, I love this one too. I'm living. It matches my shirt. And this might be the color I'm gonna wear to complete this look. So on Wednesdays is a beautiful baby pink. I like her. She really is the epitome of Mean Girls. This is like the color they would have worn in the movie if Kylie Cosmetics was around back then. I like her. I'm living. Not a color I usually wear, but this is the time where I step out my comfort zone, so you might catch me in this color one of these days. And that's the finished look. So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment and smash that like button if you love Naruto as much as me. Yes, because Naruto is the best. So is Sasuke, just saying. Yeah, so you better subscribe. It's free. Just press the button so you can know when I post a new video. Sorry, my dog is weird. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.